I don't want Muslims to understand that this is a conflict between Palestinians and the occupation. This is far bigger than that. It is a manifestation of a clash of civilizations. Now, the clash between civilizations can be manifested in different ways. Maybe the United States realized that, oh no, if we continue doing that, Muslims and the whole Muslim world might see this as an attack against Islam. So maybe they started to retreat a little bit because they have seen that the whole Muslim world is seeing it as like why America and Britain and France and many, even Holland, Holland sold some military equipment recently to Israel, and Germany, of course, and many other countries. Why they are doing this? Because they see it that it is a critical conflict. It is a critical war. And if Israel were to lose, or the occupation were to lose this battle or this war, then all of us, we are going to lose. And there will be so many consequences behind that. So they put it like this. It is not us who put it like this. It is true that they are trying to say, no, look, we have some Palestinians who, or Arabs, who have the Israeli nationality. We are not against all Muslims. We are just against the radicals. We are against the extremists. We are against the terrorists. But Muslims are mature enough to understand that no, this is not against them. Maybe the Palestinians, they are in the front. It is against anyone who doesn't want to be colonized.